Cleaning your pool cartridge filter is easy, and it helps keep your pool system in top shape. All you'll need is a hose, filter cartridge bath, cleaner powder, and some O-ring lubricant. The best time to clean your filter is when your pressure gauge reads 10 psi over its normal operating level. First, turn off your filter pump. Next, open your air relief valve to release the pressure inside the tank. Open the tank and remove the filter. Check your O-ring and apply lubricant if needed. This helps keep it functioning properly. Spray your filter with a garden hose to remove any loose debris, being careful not to use too much pressure. Now, it's ready to soak. Fill the cartridge bath with water and add Suncoast Cartridge cleaner powder. Place the cartridge in the bath and let it soak for 25 minutes. Remove the filter from the bath, rinse again, and let dry completely before you reinsert. Turn the pump back on, and you are good to go.